So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to unlink everything on Steam. So basically, first, you just have to open your Steam application on your web browser or just simply access it on the application itself on your desktop. And once you're in, you will see this page. And for example, my EA account is linked on a Steam. So basically, I will go to the EA and basically just log in using my credentials for me to able to unlink my A account onto my Steam. So in this case, I have already logged in. So here's my account. So for me to able to unlink A on my Steam, we have to go on the three lines, which is located at the top left corner. Once we click on that, you will see the drop down menu. Just click on the settings. And under the My Account, you will see this. So you will see connected accounts once you scroll in under the My Account section. So in this case, I have not linked my A account onto a Steam. So basically, you just have this Discord right here. But in this case, you just have to click the unlink button if your A account is already linked onto your Steam. So if you want to unlink more accounts on your Steam, just open it and navigate to its settings and navigate to the linked accounts and unlink the Steam. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.